Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and this is Nutan Kumar, and I hope everyone doing great. So in today's video I come up with one exciting opportunity that is from Geeks for Geeks, as you can see over there. So before going in detail, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications regarding government jobs, private jobs, internships, free courses, and fellowships and many more. So if you don't want to miss out any of these updates, make sure to subscribe to our channel. So now, yeah, let's get started with the today's session. Geeks for Geeks organizing a technical scripture event 2020. So now, without wasting any more time, let's get into the technical scripture event details. The technical scripture event will give you a chance to write and submit technical blogs or articles based on any topic in the computer science. You can choose, you can write technical blogs on trending technologies or programming languages, whatever you would like. You can write anything, and also there is no eligibility criteria. Anyone can apply for this, and there is no entry fees to participate in this event, and anyone can take part of in this technical scripture event, and the winners would be declared on basis of the public voting for the selected topics. And the event date will be from 20 October 2020 to 19 January 2021. You can submit your technical blog between these dates. Okay. And topics to write on. You can write on any computer science topic and technical scripture event. However, this topic should not previously exist on Geeks for Geeks, as I said earlier. And also they would have given one option to choose if you're not sure about which topic you want to write on. You can choose the suggested topics. Just click here and you can choose the suggested topics over there. Okay. Let's just log in and you can pick you can pick here. That's it. And yeah, some of the different types of topics that you can select are mentioned in the list below, and you can write blogs on algorithms, data structures, computative programming languages like C, C++, Java, as mentioned here, and machine learning, big data, Hadoop and data science, computer science subjects, tips and tricks, technical tips and tricks, Linux hacks, secure coding, technical blogs, design based articles, cracking technical interviews, Android, and school learning. You can choose any one of these and you just proceed with that. Okay. And yeah, you must have this question: why you should participate? So the technical scripture event is not only about writing tech articles and winning prizes, but is something bigger than that. Let's take a look at the several noteworthy benefits that you can gain from the technical scripture event, as you will be required to study the topic or subject in depth before writing the technical scripture event. Hence, it will surely enhance your knowledge and provide your expertise in the particular topic or particular concept. And the top 50 participants of the technical scripture event will also get the internship opportunity at Geeks for Geeks. That's a good thing. And that's it, nothing else. And prizes to be won. This is the most thing. And 10,000 cash prize plus goodies bag for first rank, 7,500 cash prize plus goodies bag for second rank, 5,000 cash prize plus goodies bag plus for third rank, 2,000 cash prize plus goodies bag for fourth and fifth, goodies bag for 6th to 10th, and internship opportunity for top 50 participants, and goodies plus 500 coupon to all participants. So each participant who manages to publish at least one article will be rewarded. Okay. And you'll get a certificate too after publishing this. And how to submit article, this is very important. You just follow these steps. Just click here and select technical scripture. And here you can proceed with your blog. You can add images and you can add, tables, and you can embed your links and everything, every feature available here. And if you don't have any topics, you just click here, pick article. So you can choose any topic you want. So there are several topics, you can choose any one of this. And once you're done with your writing, just click on submit for review. So once it get published, you will get a message. Okay, so that's it. So that's it from my side. So if you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and please do share with all your friends, and be subscribed to our channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.